Okay, these are a little quieter. These are the microphone tests, the cool tests. As you can see, the audio input capture is quite in the middle, but if it goes to red, that's not good. That means it's kind of unstable. And I have a fan in the background, so technically it can never be level. See, no matter what I do, it never can reach the bottom down to that orange green bit. Yep, never doing that again. Never. Obviously, sound tests. I don't have a camera much, but I might someday. When my parents let me. No, I'm kidding. I have a camera, but they just won't let me use it. It's fine though. Classic mom and dad stuff. If this video is on YouTube, you should give it a like, cause yeah, I don't know. Thank you. And this was the sound test. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.